Dear friends, today I will just in brief describe you this beautiful meditation, which is a very popular meditation of Osho, Kundalini meditation. After dynamic meditation, Osho was looking for a complementary meditation for the evening. Dynamic was for the morning. It took him several years to design dynamic meditation, and 4 years after dynamic meditation, he created Kundalini meditation. So this is a 1 hour meditation, my dear friend, and it has got 4 stages, each of 15 minutes. First stage is shaking the body from toe to the head, hands, whole body should shake. This shaking will recharge your energy and de-stress your mind. Because this Kundalini meditation is evening meditation, and when people come back from day work, they carry many worldly impression on their body and mind because they have to do business. So when they come back from their job, they have many worldly impression. So just to throw away all this impression, Osho has designed this beautiful technique that first 15 minutes you shake your body, whole body from toe to your head. This shaking is very scientific. By shaking, you throw away all the worldly impression which you have gathered during your day work. You meet hundreds of people and they all cast some impression upon you. So you are free from this impression when you shake your body. Also when you shake your body, you recharge, and also you create biomagnetism. When you shake your body, there is friction between the millions of molecules inside your body, and by friction, electricity is created. So you generate electrobiomagnetism in first stage. In second stage, dance in your own style. No? As you dance during other meditation, Nataraj meditation or last stage of dynamic meditation, so you can dance on your own style. You can keep your eyes open if you move around and just express your joy and happiness. So while dancing, you will harmonize the bioelectromagnetism which you have created in first stage. That energy will get harmonized because dancing is a harmonious act. So when you dance around, you harmonize your bioelectromagnetism. So 15 minutes of free dancing, you can dance in your own style. Beautiful music has been created to help you in your dance. After 15 minutes, my dear friend, the music will become sober. Then sit down, better sit down. Few friends feel like standing. So if you have energy and if you like to do it in standing, if it suits you, it's up to you. But for majority of people, it will suit to sit down. If you have any problem, knee problem, or you have difficulty in sitting, you can use chair. Use cushion is always helpful, but if you cannot sit in cross-leg position for some physical reason, then you can use sofa or chair to sit down and keep your leg crossed as far as you can manage, and body is straight, spine is straight, and just listen to the music. The music is designed in such a way that it will recollect all the bioelectricity which you have generated in first stage and harmonize in this stage. They all will pass through your central column, the spine. No? So keep your spine straight, generally straight, eyes closed, hand also in meditation posture, and then just listen to the music. The music has been designed in a very meditative music. It is designed in such a way that it recollect all the energy, and slowly the whole energy will become vertical and it will pass through your central column. When the energy passes through the central column, it lifts your life energy, which is called Kundalini, which is situated near your navel center. So the Kundalini will be move upward. You have not to do anything. You just sit down with keeping a spine straight and just listen to the music. Automatically your energy will move upward. When Kundalini moves to upper chakra, it creates a very positive impact, very positive transformation. If when you in Kundalini reaches to your heart chakra, you feel immense love and compassion for the whole world. As the energy move up, it creates a divine transformation. When the music reaches to Sahasrara, finally the lotus petal opens and you become enlightened. So it will happen automatically. You have not to care, worry for it. You just sit, keeping your spine straight, or remain standing for next 15 minutes and just listen to the music. After 15 minutes of silent meditation, the music will become silent. The fourth stage, you have to lie down and relax your whole body, just in Shavasana. So relax your whole body and watch your breath or watch the sound around. If there is any sound around, you just meditate over the sound or watch your breath. Don't allow your mind, don't get associated with the mind. Naturally, the mind will not stop by stopping your body. So let it move, what you witness the movement of the mind. Don't get carried away by mind. Either watch your breathing or listen to the sound around and disidentify yourself from your body and mind. You become a watcher of body and mind. The last stage is very refreshing. After 15 minutes of Shavasana or Yoga Nidra, which is a type of Yoga Nidra, you go in deep relaxation. And in relaxation, after Kundalini meditation, you will feel as if you are as fresh as you are in the morning. After 6 or 7 hours of sleep, you feel so freshness, the same freshness you feel after doing the Kundalini meditation. And then your evening and your night, you are free again and energetic to do work. So all your fatigue and all your worldly impression, you will wash out by Kundalini meditation. It's a wonderful meditation, my dear friend. I will talk about this meditation some other day. I will give you the more information about this meditation.